Welcome to the DVCom channel. Today, we're exploring the key to stress-free network maintenance and updates: quality cabling. A well-designed cabling infrastructure can save you time, money, and headaches, keeping your network running smoothly for years to come. Poor quality or disorganized cabling can turn even the simplest network issue into a full-scale headache. Loose connections, signal interference, and confusing layouts can lead to unnecessary downtime and costly repairs. On the other hand, high-quality cabling installed with precision makes network maintenance and upgrades a breeze. Clear labeling, organized pathways, and reliable materials mean fewer issues and faster resolutions. Quality cabling isn't just about the materials, it's about the installation. Properly certified cables ensure optimal performance, minimizing issues like data loss, signal degradation, or slow speeds. At DVCom Systems, we ensure every cable is tested and certified for peak performance. When it's time to update your network, quality cabling shines. Instead of replacing entire runs, modular and structured cabling systems allow you to make targeted changes without disrupting the rest of your setup. Whether you're scaling up your business, integrating new technologies, or simply maintaining what you have, a high-quality cabling infrastructure lays the foundation for success. It reduces complexity, saves time, and ensures your network is always ready to meet your needs. With quality cabling, troubleshooting becomes straightforward. Issues can be pinpointed quickly, meaning less downtime for your business and more confidence in your system's reliability. Thank you for joining us on the DVCom channel to learn about the benefits of how simplified network maintenance starts with quality cabling, and we're here to help you get it right from the start. If you found this information helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others. For expert cabling services and reliable support, contact DVCom Systems at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com.